Good morning, students. Hope you will be fine and enjoying your good health. This is your geography lesson. Students, today we are going to revise our syllabus, and in this regard, there are some worksheets, revision worksheets. So, we will do these worksheets in this lesson. Let's start our lesson. Here is question 1. Label the following diagram. The layers of the earth. Here are 6 arrows. We have to write names of the layers in the given boxes. First layer is crust. You can see on the right side of the picture. There is crust. In the middle there is rigid mantle. And on number 3rd arrow there is asthenosphere. The layer is asthenosphere. On the top of left side there is stiffer mantle. What is this? Stiffer mantle. In the center here is outer core. The arrow goes inside the layer, that is outer core, and in the last there is a small circle that is called inner core of the earth. So these are the layers of the earth. These layers are crust, rigid mantle, asthenosphere, stiffer mantle, outer core, inner core. Question 2. Look at the diagram above and answer these questions. We have done the diagram already. We have labeled the diagram, and you know the different layers of the earth. Now you have to answer these questions by looking at the diagram. Question number 1. How thick is the crust? The answer is Earth's crust is 5 to 70 kilometer thick. Question 2. How wide is the mantle? The answer is it is about 2,900 kilometers thick. Question 3. Which part of the core is liquid? Which part of the core is liquid? The answer is the outer core. So the outer core is liquid. Question 4. What is the outer core made of? The answer is liquid, iron and nickel. So the outer core is made of liquid, iron and nickel. Question 3. Fill in the blanks. 1. The thickest layer of the earth is the mantle. The thickest layer of the earth is the mantle. 2. The thinnest layer of the earth is the crust. The thinnest layer of the earth is called the crust. 3. The hottest layer of the earth is the inner core. What is the hottest layer of the earth? The hottest layer of the earth is the inner core. 4. The part of the earth that is facing the sun has daylight. 5. The part of the earth that is facing away is dark and has night. 6. It takes 365 1/4 days to complete one orbit around the sun. 6. It takes 365 1/4 days to complete one orbit around the sun. 7. The longitudes run from north to south. The longitudes run from north to south. 8. There are 5 important lines of latitude. How many important lines of latitudes are there? There are 5 important lines of latitude are there. 9. The 0-degree latitude is known as the equator. 10. The earth spins on an imaginary line known as the axis of the earth. What is this called? What is this called? It is called axis of the earth. Question 4. What is the earth made of? You have to tell about the different layers of the earth. As you can say that the earth is made up 3 layers. Made up of 3 layers. Number 1 is the crust. This is the layer we stand on. This is the layer we stand on. It is a thin skin of rocks. It is a thin skin of rocks around the mantle. Number 2, the mantle. This is the second layer of the earth. The mantle forms about 84% of the earth. How many percent? 84% of the earth. It is made of denser rock. It is made of denser rock. The upper mantle is lithosphere. What is this layer called? The upper mantle is lithosphere. The rock below it is asthenosphere. Asthenosphere. Number 3 layer, that is the core. The core is mainly of iron mixed with a little bit of nickel. The outer core is made of nickel iron and the inner core is made up of entirely iron. So what is the difference between these 2 layers? The outer core is made of nickel iron and the inner core is made up of entirely iron. Question 5. Complete the following table. Activity, speed kilometer per second. 1. The earth's rotation. Its speed kilometer per second is 0.5. 2. The earth revolving around the sun. What is its speed kilometer per second? 30. 3. The solar system around the Milky Way galaxy. The speed kilometer per second is 250. 250. Question 6. Label the following diagram. Here you can see the diagram and there are different lines. These lines are called lines of latitude. So we have to write the names of these lines in the given space. And here you have to write the degree in direction. Degree and direction. First of all, we will write lines of latitude. Number 1 line is Arctic circle. Arctic circle. The line is Arctic circle and degree and direction is 66.5 degree north. 66.5 degree north. Number 2 line is Tropic of Cancer and its degree is 23.5 degree north. 23.5 degree north. Number 3rd line is of equator. Equator, and this is 0 degree. The equator is of 0 degree. Number 4th line is Tropic of Capricorn and its degree is 23.5 degree south. 23.5 degree south. Last line. This is Antarctic circle. Antarctic circle is of 66.5 degree south. 66.5 degree south. So students, this is your lesson for today. You have to revise your syllabus like this. You have to prepare yourself for your assessment like this. These questions, these types of questions can be in your assessment, and these revision worksheets will be helpful for your preparation. Thank you for listening. Take care. Allah Hafiz.